Hey you guys, what's up? We are gonna continue some Halloween looks today. I'm gonna do the little ghost emoji on my face. I'm gonna be using the Maron face paints, so I didn't do any skincare today. My face is completely dry because I really just want it to stick nicely on my face. Let's get into it. Before I start, first things first, I'm going to lay down my eyebrows. So I learned I need lots and lots of glue. Then we gotta sit and let it dry. I want to comb them out so they're not clumpy, but then I want to use the flat side so that it's even and it's not just like a bunch of hairs that you can see in my makeup, you know what I mean? Okay, let's let it dry. There's little arms on there, but I don't know if I want to do that yet. Now I'm gonna fill it in.
I don't need a shooter, I need one shot. Give me one more day, you might see God. Puppy dogs in the limelight. Be fed only when they get the tricks right. I'm a man eater, I'm a fun ride. Get it done, but I do it on my time. Y'all riding it too hard to be acting like a player. Fuck niggas, I'm rich, I'm trendy. I get gone cause I'm ready. Pull up in the old school, pull me up some produce. All eyes on me at the party. Try to flip me up with a selfie. Gotta get your gold on, can't fuck with me, I done told them.
So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup just around here, give myself an even base. While I was doing this though, I wanted to talk to you guys about designer brands. Now, before I get too into it, I don't want to act like I'm holier than thou. I own designer brands, okay? But one thing about me, and all my friends who know me know this, one thing about me is if I can buy black owned, I'm going to. My question really is for people who are obsessed with designer brands, especially black people, because I just be so confused. You know, people will spend all of their money on a designer brand, and then when it comes to the homie who, whether the homie makes clothes, I have, you know, friends or family who design clothes, and even me, you know, I do music and people are always trying to get the friend discount. And I will just never understand that because you'll literally spend your last however couple $100 on a brand that does not care about you. And then when it's time to support your homie, all of a sudden we're penny pinchers. Make it make sense. Like I said, I love to buy black owned. I know so many black designer brands. There's Mewlitter, you have Brandon Blackwood, designer bags. He has a clothing line now actually. You have Amina Abdul Jalil, she makes shoes. Who else we got? Oh, we have Size and Co. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that. She makes clothes. I see celebrities in them all the time. I'm just so confused as to why everybody's so obsessed with Louis, Gucci, Prada, Fenty, etc. when there's so many other better brands out there. I probably look crazy talking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. That was my little rant. I just wanna do a little, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. So anyways, I thought white was gonna look better, but actually black looks better. And then I just need to do my mascara and finish my eyeliner here, then I'll be ready. I feel like I was gonna say one more thing about that. Oh, yeah, I was. Okay, so the other thing is, like, if you can reach out, if you're capable of getting a hold of someone to reach out to ask them for a service, that means that they can see what you're doing. So if you're saying you don't have enough money to pay for the service that you're requesting, and then, you know, the person sees you out and about, living your best life, don't get me wrong. Like, people can go on vacation and not spend a dime. Someone else pay for it, blah, blah, blah. It's just the principle. Like, we could see when you're going out partying, flashing your money, buying weed, buying alcohol, buying designer, and then coming back and saying that you don't have no money for the service, or you want a discount, like a homie discount. Okay, you guys, we are not doing that this holiday season. We're not doing it. What you guys think? This is the ghost emoji. Oh, I need to put my mascara. What am I doing? Then the worst part is, people will like request a service, and then, you know, you be seeing them outside, like outside, with their designer, after they just asked you for a discount. That's crazy, right? So, I don't know, that's my little rant. Especially as black people, like, let's do better. Let's support black owned business. There's black owned designer that's much better and more creative than this designer that everyone else has that definitely ain't doing nothing for us or our community. Okay, so we have a final look. The main takeaway is powder, powder, powder. Also support your friends. Like, come on guys. What do you think of this little ghost look? Join me next time. I hope you guys like this look. It was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. So, happy Halloween, happy spooky season.